Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to install a font in Photoshop, right? So most of the time I get people asking me how they are going to install fonts in Photoshop, right? So if you're new here, make sure that you like the video and also subscribe and share so that we learn together. All right, so first thing is you have to open your browser as usual, and then the next thing is that you need to set the name of the font that you're looking for, right? So provided that you know the name of the particular font that you're looking for, I think it is very easy for you to install a font in Photoshop. So you just have to set the name of the font. Let's say DM Sans, right? There are multiple sites, so many sites that you can install fonts from, right? So if I go to Google Fonts, for instance, you can see that the style is there, everything is there, right? So you can just type in the word that you want, any word that you want to, confirm that this is actually the font that you're looking for. So if you are okay with that, then you go to get font, right? You get, when you press on get font, then you download the font. I already have it, so I don't want to download it. Or you can as well go to another site, right? These sites, for instance, if you go to font download, right, it will appear. So you just have to just download for free. There are multiple sites from where you can download and install fonts in your Photoshop. So after downloading the font, right, so let me just download this one. All right, so after downloading the font, you just have to, try it and install it. All right, so after downloading it, the next thing is there. You see that it's a family, right? The font is like a family. So we have so many types of it, or the styles of it. So we have the both. So we just have to try and install it. Then you are good to go. So after installing it, all you have to do is that you have to make sure that if your Photoshop is already opened, you have to make sure that you switch it or you close it off, and then you open it again. Then you search the particular font that you installed and it will be there, right? If you've not opened your Photoshop, you just have to open it, search the font, and it is already there. You get it? So that brings us to the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that we learn together. Stay tuned.